Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a real estate listing with Zillow step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Zillow homepage. If you are not already signed in, click on the sign in button in the top right corner. Enter your email and password to log into your account. Once logged in, locate the Manage Listings option in the menu. Click on Manage Listings, then select Create a new listing. Choose whether you are listing a home for sale or for rent. If you select for sale, enter all required property details, including the address. If applicable, provide the property type, such as condo, single-family home, or multifamily. Fill in the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, along with the square footage. Upload high-quality photos of the property by clicking on the Photo Upload section. Ensure your photos are well lit and showcase the best features of your property. Provide a compelling property description, highlighting unique aspects and amenities. Set a competitive price for your listing based on market research. Optionally, you may add an open house schedule to attract potential buyers. Review all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. Click on the Publish Listing button to make your property visible to the public. After publishing, monitor your listing for inquiries and respond promptly to interested parties. Make adjustments to the listing as needed, especially in response to market feedback. Then, promote your listing on social media and other platforms for wider reach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.